Welcome to PleaseCheckOut channel. Here, as you can see, I have Thomas #1 tank engine with some surprises here. You can see the first card, special delivery. You can see surprise eggs. Another super surprise. Another super surprise. And here you can see Mr. Jolly's chocolate factory. I'm excited. I'm really excited to see what is inside there. Okay, are you guys excited? Let's open.
Hey, look at Lily.
Okay, in real life you can close it that way, but that was just me. You can see this is what I got. Some colorful candies. And here you can see Thomas, James, Percy. And here I got more. Look at these. Troublesome truck. Here you can see George. This is the one I got. Here, look, George. So George is the one that I got here. I can put George here because these are the surprises. I can put the stickers. Oops. Oh no, I can put them inside. And I can close it. Alright, so I got George first, and the sticker I forgot, that's okay. Here is the other one. You can see. So let me just keep this one here. Super surprise. Do you want to have some fun here? You want to make 2? How about 4? How about 4 eggs out of 1? How about more? Look at these, so many eggs. I wish there could be this many eggs. Even though this is just 1 egg I have in my hand. Right, let's see what I have here. I wish I could close it that way, but I couldn't. That was just me, doing some editing and stuff. Here you can see, this is when I got some colorful candies. You can put them back. And I have a very beautiful... Oh, look at this one. This one is kind of different. Here you can see. Oh no, I believe this is same. But how about this one? George, yes. Here, this is what I got, Percy. And let me show you. It has lots of stickers. Do you know the names of Thomas, James, Mavis? Here you can see, I believe that's a Scarloy. I'm not, looks like that's a Scarloy. Here you can see Alfie, Annie, I believe. Here you can see Edward, Gordan. Here you can see Gordan, Jack, Percy, George, troublesome truck. Whoa, look at this. So let me now put them back for now because I wanna keep them inside. And shouldn't take that long. Alright. Oh, I didn't get Percy. I'm so sorry. This is what I got. This is not Percy. This is Henry. I just saw the color and I thought it's Percy, but it's actually Henry because it says number 3. And look at the face of Henry. You see? It's Henry. And Percy is number 6, Henry is number 3. Both are green and Henry has a tender. Look how they're landing on the eggs, and eggs are landing on the cart. Cart is on the track. Here you can see this is the last one we have. So here you can see Henry, here you can see George, and this is the last one we have. So let's go find out what it has inside. Here you can see special delivery, and let's see our delivery. I just did some fun. Here, this is what I got. You can see some very colorful candies. Came with a sticker. Oh, I believe this is LMS Arthur, not Scarlet. I might have said, if I said Scarlet, it is. Scarlet is, brighter, kind of scarlet color. And this one is kind of maroon color. Maybe it's Thomas, Percy, I believe James. Yeah, James, Alfie, Annie, or Clarabel. Thomas, number 4. No, this is not Thomas. Gordan. Here you can see Henry, Jack, George, and Troublesome Drug. That causes trouble. Stay away from him. Alright, and this is what I got. Let me just show that James. Pretty. Look. This is James, number 5. Very bright red color, vibrant, exuberant color, very vivid. I like James. It's a tender engine. You can see the tender here at the back, and this is number 5. You can see the coils. Lots of. You can see wheels. Yellow dome, black funnel. Red color James. Here you can see Thomas number 1 tank engine with a special delivery of surprise egg. At the top of surprise egg you can see James. Here you can see Henry on the surprise egg, and here you can see George. So thank you viewers, thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe. Please check out channel for more Thomas and Friends toy trains.